Water matter. The deep subject world over is water is matter. There are many matters in the world, recognized matter. After Einstein, E is equal to mc squared. Matter is defined. Everything is classified as matter. Water destroys, water erodes, water has capacity to turn it to a mud particles everywhere in the world. So, water is defined as a matter without any doubt by world scientists today. Today's discussion is water is a matter. Many materials are having powers to retain water for years together. The first is coconut shell. The first one is coconut shell. It retains water at all levels for 12 months. It is expected at least one rain day in a year. So, coconut shell in all its form has powers to retain water. So water is a matter to consider the world is going to survive or not. Within 1 minute, all waters evaporate. Within seconds, all water turns into ice bar. Within 1 minute, all water stands in vapor. So water is a matter world over. Today, what happened? All paddy submerged, all tanks filled up, all rivers flowing overflow, all tanks overfilled. All schools holiday, all colleges holiday, all activities stopped. So is the matter of water. Water is the only substance that turns like this as liquid form, solid form and vapor form. In all its form, it plays the world in position. So, consider water is a matter. We human beings don't believe water. Water is going by way of theft in ice bar, glaciers. Arctic and Antarctic is under threat because of iceberg. All European countries are under threat because of ice. All southern districts of Tamil Nadu is under threat because of water. The whole Kerala, God's own country is under threat by accumulating dam. Water. So, water is life. Water is matter. It is a different matter to consider. All school-going students know this, but scientifically now proved. So, administrators of office, both central and government of Tamil Nadu, believes idiots in the matter of environment. They all are following what actually happened a walk. Now buildings are under collapse. Now rivers are under damage. Now schools buildings are under damage. Now only they are thinking about water. What the experts says, what the university says, what the final findings say is water is a matter. So reconsider our education system. Reconsider our education system. Save the world. Save the world. Save environment. Thank you for listening this short video.